Hey everybody, I'm Justin with Norton Media Enterprise. Today we're checking out the SEESII yard maintenance system. Now if you're like me, you've probably looked at these multi-tool systems before and wondered whether they're actually useful or if they're just going to be another item that sits in the corner of the garage collecting dust. So I figured instead of reading specs off a website, I'd bring it outside and actually use it. Before I jump in, I want to disclose this will have an Amazon affiliate link in the comments. I would make a commission if you do choose to purchase this item at no additional cost to you. Let's jump in. One thing I like right away is not having to mess with extension cords. I don't know about y'all, but it seems like every time I need a cord, it's tangled up with 14 other cords and somehow tied into a knot that would impress a Boy Scout. I love being able to just come, take a battery, attach it, and go. If I've got hedges to trim, grab a battery, grab the tool, attach the battery, and go. If I need to prune something, grab a battery, get the tool, attach it, and go. The first kit I want to talk about is the pruning shears and the pole extender. This comes with two batteries. To get this started, go ahead and slide your battery on, hold your power button, double tap your trigger, it opens up. I've got about an inch in diameter stick to give you an example of how well this works, and it cuts like butter. To turn this off, close this first, hold your trigger in, press the power button, and it turns off. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the battery and put it into the pole extender and attach this pruning shear to this as well, in case you've got hard to reach spots. So same concept, you have a trigger down here at the bottom, double tap on the bottom or on the trigger and it opens up and it works beautifully. The cool thing about that is you can use all the other attachments with this pole extender. It makes this really great to use. The second toolkit that I want to discuss is the chainsaw and hedger toolkit. This comes with your chainsaw, your hedger tool, grass shear attachment, and your hedger attachment, two batteries, and a charger. Okay, for the chainsaw, you need to pour bar and chain oil in this. This works just like any other chainsaw would. It helps reduce the friction on the chain. Take your cover off. This has a safety button on the side that needs to be pressed and pull the trigger. For the hedger tool, has the same features, safety button, trigger, it works like that. To change the attachment on this, what I'm going to do for safety purposes is take the battery off. It has two buttons on the side. We're going to go ahead and squeeze those and this pops right out. You slide the hedger attachment in to make it fit properly, reattach your battery, and then you're ready to go. Love this kit. This is awesome. And as stated before, all these tools, they still attach to the pole extender as well. As you can see, I've got plenty of stuff around here that needs attention. I've got branches hanging over the fence. The hedge needs trimmed back a little bit. And a few other spots around the yard like this stump, which will get taken care of today. For what most homeowners need, this is pretty much what I'd expect. It's easy to use, it's getting the job done, and I'm not fighting with the equipment the whole time. That's honestly one of the biggest compliments I can give any tool. If I stop thinking about the tool and just focus on the project, that's usually a good sign. Take a look at that. Much better. The yard looks cleaner, the branches are gone. We took care of the low-hanging branches here as well. Overall, I'm impressed with this product. If you've got a homeowner in the family, a dad that loves working outside, or you're just looking for a tool that'll actually get used, I think it's worth taking a look at. I'm going to keep using this tool and see how it holds up to the test of time, but so far, I'm impressed. If you want to check out the full Father's Day guide, head on over to nortonmediaenterprise.com, and I'll also post the link in the comments section. Don't forget to give us a like, share, and follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.